Hello everyone, welcome to my unboxing of BTS J-Hope's Jack in the Box Hope Edition. This is the exclusive Target edition and it was released today, August 18th. I received mine in the mail, and so let's go ahead and take a look at this outside box. So this was a album that was released last year, and it was exclusively online, and so this is the physical version, so I'm excited to see what's inside. Love the cute cartoons on the side, and here's the track listing. Fun, super fun. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. Has a really nice tacky feel to the cover. Unfortunately, I have a little bit of a bend here. Often when I purchase these from Target online, the packaging is just never as good as I would hope. But they have started a new mailing box that's helped. However, it's still not in perfect condition. So we have the booklet. Looks like we have a paper toy with some instructions on how to put it together. And we have a sticker pack. It's a sticker pack with 14 pieces of stickers. So let's start off with the album itself and the booklet. So same feel inside. And let me see if I can flip this well. Nice thick paper, very glossy and colorful, super high quality. I'm just gonna thumb through this quickly. I love the size of this photo book, and really great high quality images. Curious if he's gonna come out with a different outfit. Which he does. I think this is one of the nicest solo photo books I've seen that comes with an album. Really, when they released the digital version last year, I was sad there wasn't anything else included, and it was quite simple. But it's nice they have more to the album this year. And I just love the colors and the crispness of the photos. And I'm curious if the CD is in the back. Just kind of a dark Joker look. Rather Jack in the Box, I guess, look. So all the way there, same type of pages, same quality, everything. A little bit of thanks here. And some credits. And I don't see the CD in here. So the CD is not part of the book. Gonna be a little bit of a treasure hunt to see which one has a CD. Oh, I think it's in here. Let's go ahead and open this paper toy. Don't think I'm going to make it right now, but I'd like to at least open and see what's inside. Okay, it looks... It says, please read the user guide before you start and follow instructions. All right. Looks like you're gonna need to cut, fold, and glue to be able to make this paper doll or toy. Looks a little complicated, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. Great, and here's the instructions. Pretty detailed instructions. Love the pictures on how to build it, and looks like it's English, so that'll be helpful. Neat. Let me set that to the side, and let's get to the sticker pack. All right, and it looks like the CD's in here as well. Ooh. Here are the photo cards. So I believe I get an extra photo card because this is the Target exclusive version. So there's 3 cards. Let me see what's on the back. It says Jack in the Box Hope Edition. Very cute, very colorful. Maybe a close-up. Very nice. Okay. What else have we got in here? And the CD itself, and this little jacket with a track list. Oh, this is a really cute CD. Love the design, so colorful and fun. Here, I'll let you take a closer look at that. Very pretty. One of the most colorful albums I've seen. This looks like the poster. Got him in white and black. And let's take a look at the stickers. Very cute. Love the cartoon. And here's the pink version. I like how there's 2 versions. And here's the track list. Kind of a white paper, very different than the rest of the album. A little surprised. Feels like instructions to a toy or something. Maybe that's the look he was going for. And more cartoons and drawings. Of course, all of the lyrics here. Can't wait to play the CD and see if there's any hidden songs. Oh, but here's the Lollapalooza version. Very nice. So all of that and instrumentals. So that must be the little bonus. All right, well here is everything from the album, stickers, lyrics, the poster, the CD photo cards, and the toy and the box itself. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and I'm sure they're in stock now if you want to check in your Target store, or you could also order these from Weverse for the Weverse edition. I chose the Target edition because it was easy, and I'm curious what else it had in there. So looking forward to see what versions that you have. Thank you for coming to my unboxing. See you later. Bye-bye.